There's two different thoughts when it comes to pricing of a course. One, you make it very expensive and you only get a selected number of students and you give them individual attention and advice. The other thought is to make it cheaper and more available to a wider audience. I've decided on the latter, and my price is very competitive. It's coming in at $197, and if you compare it to other teachers and mentors, just with the one secret that I'm going to give away in the course, you're going to pay more than $1,000 for that course. And in the Rich Dad books, if you go through all those books, you'll be able to figure it out. And I think there's people that's giving it away for free on the internet. That is not a secret, that's not unknown. When you're going to see it, you're going to think, but listen, this is not actually a secret. This should be common knowledge. But if you don't know this and you don't know what to look for, you're not going to find it. So that's one of the bonuses. I've been looking for that secret for many years. It took me a long time to get it. And when I got it, I knew exactly this is what I was looking for. Once I got that secret, I didn't really know what to do with it. Knowing it and implementing it is two different things. The next bonus that I'm going to give you, we're going to establish a group, a community, and the reason for that is I'm going to help you to complete this course. Like I said in my previous video and in my sales letter, people buy courses and they don't complete them. If you finish it, I'm going to give you the help you need to implement the information that I'm going to give you. And my idea is to get the group of students together, maybe share our side hustles so that we know how to implement the knowledge that I'm going to give you. There's some more bonuses. I'm going to share them with you in the course. There's too many to mention. So just to sum it up, I've showed you that I've got the knowledge and the know-how to present this course. I've given you the reasons why you should attend it, and I've given you all the possible ways to afford it. I'll see you in my course. Cheers, bye.